Tū Māori Tūturu au I te pō. Nō reira tēnā koutou e te whānau nau mai hoki mai ki tuku whare kai, he kouta. Welcome to my kitchen. Te umu here and sharing what I'm having tonight and what the focus has been on for this month, for these 30 days, and maybe encourage you to have a think about what you're doing over the next 30 days. The way I'm looking at it is for June, July, August is 3 months. I'm thinking this, 30 days to break a habit. I mean McDonald's and some of the bad habits I've been holding down sometimes. But yeah, just looking at some bad habits like my sleep patterns, my drinking fresh water, wai Mauri. Yeah, and what can I do in upping my activity, getting out into the daylight for some vitality, different things like that. So my focus is 30 days to break some habits, 30 days in July to form some new habits, which we're starting now, and 30 days to make that a lifestyle habit from there on. So I'm looking at the next 90 days of the winter series, June, July, August. Anyway, as I said, for each week, I'm hoping to have a theme, and this theme or this week is just to keep it easy for me because I'm always on the run and always on the go. Is I'm going for one of these George Foreman steamers. I've had it forever. I always wanted to make my own brand and call it Te Umu Wai. Why? Because it's a steamer, Te Umu Wai, so a water steamer, and that's what I'm on for this week. And as you know, next week, the second week of June, I'll look at tatao. So I have a little casserole pot, just a little one big enough for me. Tatao hipi, lamb casserole, fish, whatever your casserole or your crock pot is. On the third week, I'm thinking of boil up. I reckon boil up is healthy for you. It's all about what you have with it and everything else. I'm also going to have bread and butter. I just want to eat kai Māori, which is natural food. Just eat real food is the focus. Yeah, I have a bit of rāpihi now and again, but my main focus is to have some good meals during the day. On the 4th week of June, so like the 10th day of Christmas, on the 4th week of June, I'm hoping to have hangi. So whether it's made in the oven, or I do know some people that are putting one down there, I'll try and get some hangi, and we'll have hangi for the last week. So it's just wai Māori Tūturu, fresh water for this month, kai Māori Tūturu, natural food, and then for us, Tū Māori Tūturu, just celebrate our absolute uniqueness as well as we go along, and we're thinking about our positive steps for the Matariki reset and the days going forward and the months going forward in the seasons, each of the 4 seasons after the winter series. Anyway, my dinner is nearly ready. It's 5 to 5, so I'm on target. On the noho puku at the moment, so it's a window of sunrise to sunset. So I've chosen 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. just for me, and it gives me a window to get out, get busy, keep moving during the day, and then I'm all good. And I'm looking for a kai about 5 p.m. tonight, before our mahi and our wānanga this evening at 7 p.m. Anyway, this is why it's Te Umu Wai, so it should be steaming. It's looking good. Can you see all that? Looks like the pukohurangi. So in here we have some puaniko, cauliflower, puaniko, kāpiti, cabbage, waiporoporo, purple, and kākariki, green. The next layer, it's like a hangi, but it's a steamer, eh? Riwai, taiwa, parareka, potatoes, just some small gourmet potatoes, and some karoti, just so I can see in the night. And then the last one here, I just picked up some chops today, some lamb chops. He reme, he kiko kau, you can have kiko kau beef or kiko reme, lamb, and that's what I'm having. I'll be having that just after 5 p.m. tonight, but just wanted to share it with you guys. I'd like you guys to think about what you're having, and I'll put this video up. I'll put this video up for you guys, and underneath there I'd like you to think about it. During this month, What have your what is the kai you're doing? What things are you doing for yourself for this 30 days and thinking ahead? Leave me some comments below. Leave us a video, some clips, some recipes, and the little things that you're doing, the little mindset shifts that you are doing this month. That's about enough for a mellow puff or a couple of pieces of bread with butter on it and heaps of wai Māori. Bon appetito, Mauri ora, take it easy, and I'll see your video soon. Tihei, Mauri ora.